Have you started a new business recently? Or are you finally getting serious about marketing your company? If so, then congratulations on finding this page and for being eligible for our free 7-day trial. I would like to introduce you to Builderall, an all-in-one digital platform that contains many tools needed by marketers and business owners. We offer the most advanced system for building websites and landing pages, autoresponder and lists management systems, presentation systems, webinar management systems, and so much more. You and I know that people usually pay a hefty price to buy these tools separately, and that doesn't make sense at all. Why buy tools from multiple companies and have payments due at different times, when you can buy everything you will ever need from one company? In addition to all of these tools we include in the Builderall platform, Builderall has a unique no-cost affiliate program, which gives you a rare and stable business opportunity over time by giving others the same free trial you are about to receive. When you join the Builderall affiliate program, you'll receive access to a tried and tested, already done for you system. You can start making cash instantly and let the Builderall platform do all the hard work so you don't have to. Our proven marketing system includes everything from highly converting landing pages, video promos, lead magnets, viral funnels, automated email follow-ups, and too many tools to list here. If you feel as if Builderall is an intriguing platform with a rare and unique business potential, I suggest that you sign up for a free 7-day trial and see what the platform has to offer. Remember that in order to succeed in business as in life, you have to invest time and creativity making your dreams come true. There are no coincidences in life, and it's possible that you are here because Builderall is exactly the platform and program you need to succeed. Feel free to contact me after you sign up using the form to the right if you need any assistance whatsoever. I look forward to hearing from you.